Researchers at Harvard found that people spend nearly 47% of their waking hours thinking about something other than what they're doing. And here's the kicker. This mental drifting usually makes them less happy. In other words, the moments we overlook in daily life might actually hold the key to joy. So, how do we stop missing them? Let's explore how to find joy in small, everyday moments. Point 1. Pause and notice the simple things. Joy does not always come from grand events. It often comes from what's already around us. Think about the warmth of a morning coffee, the sound of birds outside your window, or even the feeling of clean sheets at night. Taking a few seconds to actually pause and notice these little things can shift your mindset. One simple practice is micro-mindfulness. For example, when you wash your hands, pay attention to the cool water and the scent of the soap. That small act of presence can create a surprising sense of calm. Point 2. Practice gratitude for everyday wins. In the US, where life can feel like a constant race to achieve more, gratitude has been shown to slow us down and boost happiness. A study at UC Davis revealed that writing down just 3 things you're grateful for, even something as small as a good parking spot, can increase life satisfaction. Joy multiplies when we recognize what we already have, instead of waiting for the big milestone. Point 3. Create joy triggers in your environment. Sometimes happiness needs a little nudge. Try setting up small reminders in your environment. Maybe it's a favorite photo on your desk, a candle with a scent that takes you back to childhood, or even a playlist of songs that instantly lift your mood. These little cues act like anchors, bringing you back to moments of joy even on stressful days. Point 4. Share the small moments with others. Happiness grows when it's shared. Sending a quick text to a friend about a funny thing your dog did, or enjoying a simple backyard barbecue with family, can make ordinary moments extraordinary. Americans often look forward to big holidays like Thanksgiving or the 4th of July, but everyday connections, like laughing with your neighbor at the mailbox, hold just as much power. Point 5. Slow down enough to experience them. One of the biggest obstacles to finding joy is the constant rush. Between work, errands, and notifications buzzing all day, life feels like it's always speeding up. But slowing down, even briefly, makes joy more visible. Something as small as taking the scenic route home, enjoying a quiet evening walk, or savoring your meal without distractions can help you feel more connected to the moment. Finding joy in small moments is not about changing your life. It's about changing your lens. When you pause, express gratitude, set up joy triggers, share experiences, and slow down, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. After all, the big joys in life often begin with the small ones we choose not to overlook.